Hello, and welcome to QuickAds version 4. Over the last 6 months, we have completely reinvented our platform, and I would love to give you a tour today on what we have been building. We are the world's first platform to have proprietary data which helps you find winning ads, create both image and video ads, and schedule and publish all in one platform with the simplicity that you would expect without the trouble of doing so. Let's go. Once you're inside the login, we go into find, and that's where the world's biggest library comes in. Let's say we want to put the filters for video, you want to look for Instagram, you want to look for, let's say, fashion industry. You can search for active and inactive ads, and let's search for, let's say, United States. You can also do some keyword search if you want to, but more importantly, you can also sort it. Most recent means the ones which are the most recent in our library, versus most recommended means the ones which are doing actually well as per our parameters. We have been training our ads with millions of data points to say what is good, what's not so good, and also the versus the ones which are most user engaging, which is getting the most attraction out there. This is where you can see all the ads. Let's click on any one of them and analyze it for you. Let's say we go here. You can share it, you can report it to us if you think we are wrong, or you can bookmark it for yourself for future. But for now, let's just view it. And that is where you can not only get transcription, a detailed transcription, as you can see, by the minute, by the second, what is being said in it. But you can also do ad insights. It takes a little bit of a time because it's using proprietary computer vision to analyze whole of the video, the sound, the captions, everything for you. So it takes roughly 1 or 2 minutes to analyze everything and make it as accurate as it could be. So please request your patience for that. And boom, we is able to guess what is the hook, what is the framework, what is the theme, what is the audience, the age, and the marketing goal. That way, you can spy on your competition or at the industry level and share it with your clients or the team members on what type of ads are doing well. But let me show you something which I personally really enjoy. It is telling you very specifically what is the strength in this ad, for example, that it's an engaging storytelling. We have highlighted the feature very well, but the weakness is that it's very niche in the way it's being talked about, and there is a potential for misinterpretation. That can save tons and tons of money if you implement the suggestions by being very specific on what to change out there with respect to the tone, the appeal, the content, etc. out there. That's the power of computer vision that we bring to you. And even better, with this, you can click generate similar video ad, which will take this concept, this hook, this framework, and put it into your chosen brand language with the product description that you give to be able to create a similar ad for you. Magic. Welcome. Now let's create some video creatives. I want to first of all emphasize that it's not just about ads, but any kind of video creatives you want. If you're a teacher trying to explain to your students a concept or go from just a prompt to a video, use this option. Or if you want to create some TikTok shots, which are more bursty in nature, or Instagram or professional videos, everything we have a direct shortcut for you. Let's try my favorite, which is prompt to video. Very simple. We just go here and we write what you want to 5 things to do in Bali. You can write as much or as little as you want. And with that, it will get into action. It takes a little bit of a while because we are generating the script. We are finding the factful information. We are finding the footages, the music, the sound, and stitching it together so that the fear of video creation is taken away. With that, give us at least 30-40 seconds to make this video for you. Wow, with that, we have our video with just one input, and let's see how it is.
Hey everyone, ready for an epic adventure?
Nice.
Our first.
Now, let me show you how to edit it without the fear of editing. First of all, if you don't like the audio, you can go and change and select any background music you like. Let's say I like travel and tourism. I want to put Deep Dream. You can change the volume. You can also change the voiceovers and the AI, whatever is the voice being talked about. Just go and select any of the premium voices or any voices that you like. Let's say I like Anthony. You can also click here.
Logic will get you from A to B. Logic will get you from A to B.
Similarly,
Imagination.
you can go and change the caption. Captions are the things which you see in this TikTok or any videos which comes at the bottom. You can go and select any style you like. You can change the position that you want it to be and the words also that you want it to be per line out there. Same way, you can go and add any elements that you want. Let's say you want to drag and drop this here, or you want to change any text which is on the screen. But most importantly, let's look at the script. This is what it means, where it's describing what will be for each of the scene, the media out there. We use this media to find the right footage for you. You can click and change anything you like, and just remember to press enter. Okay. Same way, this is the voiceover on what you want the person to say. Hello, everyone. Here is a demo, something like that. And that's how you do it. Similarly, most importantly, let's say you don't like some footage, you want to change it. You can easily go and select the keyword that you want to change it to. Let's say I want to change it to a influencer looking into the sea. Let's just say, just write it there and you can search for it. Yeah, let's change that. That's it. You go and select on that and it just says, okay. You can also preview it from here if you want to. Similarly, you have video variations where you can try different scripts. We created different scripts depending on what is going viral. So you can easily change that. And advanced functionalities like layers. So the full functionality is available out there. You can also look at the previews to see how it will look in the different sizes and different formats out there. You can also look at this and change on any effects that you want to change for the text, or you want to change or crop something or animate any elements out there. But those are advanced functionalities, but the full functionality is available to you. But the most important is the first output is available to you with just 1 or 2 clicks. Thank you. Now, let me also show you a full advanced mode. So if you want to look at the full functionality, then I'll show you a secret. Go to a dashboard, go to new creatives, go to video. This mode allows you to have full functionality. So for example, you want to say new brand. I want to create it for a brand called starbucks.com. You enter the website's name, and with that, you fetch the logo. Wow, it managed to fetch the logo. It understood what industry it belongs to. It understood what the tone is and what the brand stands for. Awesome. With that, let's give it a product specific product URL to build for. Let's build it for the Nespresso settings. Now, this is very important. This is where the power marketeers can look at and set the advanced settings. So, for example, you want to say how long the video should it be, and also which private assets you want to use. Should it use images or videos which go inside the final video, or you want to manually select the concept? You can also select the languages from here, but let's go from here. You decide I want it to be a 16:9 or a 9:16 designed for social media. It will now create the script and the concept before that for you. Wow. So it found some interesting concept, which is based on the product URL that we gave him. Quite accurate, actually, that Nespresso capsules should be talking about this concept, let's say. You can always generate more. Let's go and use it for now. So, like a marketing strategy, it goes from product URL to the concept to the hook to the final. Depending on the framework, then we will create a script. Let's say we want it to be the unique selling point framework. So that's what we are doing. We are bringing the knowledge of advertising and marketing to every business out there. Depending on the framework, it will start generating a video for you. But before that, we will find the script. So this is what the script has been generated. You can see it's very detailed and you can edit anything you want. A person in pajama, this is like a director mode that you can decide what will the media be, what will the voiceover be, what will the text look like. Imagine you want to change it and say a person in pajama, or no. We want to say a professional looking into the window, holding coffee. Okay, with that, let's just press enter and say, okay, we are ready. Let's generate a video. It's making the video now. As I mentioned, it takes roughly around 1 minute to make the video. Please be patient with us. We are looking through millions of footages to find what works for you, what music, what sound, stitch it all together in a way that it's aesthetically pleasing and relevant. And with that, wow, our video is ready actually to be used out here. I love it. Now, with that, as I mentioned, you can go and change the script. You can change, if you don't like any footage, you can go and change whatever you want out there. So with that, you know how to use both our direct shortcuts, but also the power mode by going into plus new creative and using all the advanced settings to make a video. We would love to see what you do now. Now we were going to talk about image ads. Now there are two types of stuff. One is what we call as static image ads. That's designed to make sure that you can reformat it into 31 different sizes in just one click, things which Canva cannot do, no other tool in the market can do out there. While social media ads are templates which are specifically designed for Instagram and other social media formats, for colorful, full image, high impact, especially for e-commerce product goods companies. You can use any one of them, but the flexibility offered in the social media ad is more. The perfection of static image ad is unbeaten for. Let's start with static image ad. You click on static image ad, you decide which brand you want, or obviously create a new brand. Just enter your brand URL. But for now, let's just go very quickly with one of the brands out there. Let's do it for Top Notes. We enter the product URL, specific product URL. For now, I'll just enter the name URL. If you don't have a product website, you can always enter the description here. Also notice the advanced settings where you can go and decide what is the objective of the ad, what industry is it for, what platform are you building it for, etc., out there. But for now, let's just keep it simple. And you can also change the language to whatever you want. But for now, I'll just keep it simple. Let's go and see what happens. Now, if you notice, it has very smartly found the images from the product URL itself, or even AI is suggesting based on the product what it is all about. But for now, I'm just going to try and make a new image using AI photography. I want to say a professional American looking into the phone. Let's see what it generates. 1, 2. And here we have a unique AI generated image, custom designed for you. Not too bad. Let's use that. I think it better represents what I want to use in my ad. You can also place a product into this picture and be able to create custom virtual product photo shoots. With that, we have selected the image. Now we select this, and remember, you can always upload an image or use one of the previous ones. But for now, let's just use this and say proceed. Yes, proceed. And we also have an option to remove background, but of course, we don't want to remove background with this one. We'll just use this. And with that, we have our ad ready. Wow. If you notice, it has chosen the brand colors, which made sense. You can always move around the boxes here and there. You can change the colors. Let's say you click on this. You can go and change whatever text you want. And you can also change the color from here. Let's say I prefer white. No problem. Go for it. And that's how you make an ad with just single click. But my most fun part is that going to ad design here and choosing any of the templates that you like. Click on anything and it will try and reformat the ad into those designs with single click. Wow, just like magic. Move it around a little bit if in case it's not perfect, but you see in single click, it was able to do that for you. Now, let's say I'll show you my favorite one, ad size. You can go and change it into different ad sizes that you want. Let's say I want to change it from Google to a really complicated. Let's try Facebook cover. It will generate the Facebook cover for you. Obviously, it's a white on white, so you just change the color text back to a black color if you want, and boom, here you go. Wow, not so bad, huh? Now, same way you can go to bulk create and you can bulk create options, things which Canva or no other tool in the market can do. How does it work? So imagine you have chosen this design, or you say, I want to see different designs for this ad size, or I want to see it in a different sizes so that I can upload into Google PMax or Advantage Plus in one click, or I want to change just the images in the ad copy, or I want to change and create hyperlocal copies. Hyperlocal copies is when you want to change the third heading here to refer to local contact names, etc. Let me just try one for you here to show you how it works. You also have an option to mix and match headings and subheadings. AI is generating different options for you, so you can choose those, or we can say for now, just show me different designs. Let's see what it gives us. Wow, it created multiple options for us to choose from, and which you can choose any one of them. Let's say I like this one, and I can go and move it around a little bit, change the size, and I am ready to shoot and download out here. So simple. Now with that, now let me show you the social media ads. We'll ignore the changes for now. Let's go to create and let's go to image creatives and show you social media ad. Now, what's the difference? We'll notice the difference. We'll use the same one for now. You enter the same product URL for now. You can again have advanced settings, but we will for now just ignore it. You can go and you will notice that the editor is different. So with that, we are back in the editor. As you can see, it has generated ads for you. And again, you can go and change the ad design to any design that you like. For example, I like this. And it will automatically copy everything for you. You can also go and create different ad sizes automatically for social media format out there. So that's why it's designed, custom designed for social media, especially e-commerce. With that, we have given you a quick preview. We are here for any information you need. We look forward to seeing magic that you're going to do and grow your business with us. Thank you. Our platform to schedule and run campaigns as well as posts. So both social media posts, organic as well as inorganic ad creatives. It's very simple. Go to your dashboard, click on any ad that you like. Publish stands for social media post. Publish as an ad stands for uploading the creatives. For example, you go to publish. Let's say I want to connect it to Instagram. It will ask you to submit your password. In this case, it's connected to one of our individual accounts. And that's it. See, the accounts are connected. You can add to this post whatever caption you like. You can schedule a date in advance. Let's say I want to schedule it for June 10th at 11:31 p.m. That's good. And you can add any additional keywords or set the tone. And with that, you are Optimize helps you change your captions and optimize. Otherwise, you are ready to schedule and off you go. That's it. That's it. As simple as that. And you can see that in the calendar that it's already been scheduled. Awesome. Have fun.